I'm Jerry with Hardline Customs. This is a 1975 Camaro RS. Came in as a shell with paint on it. What we did was everything. So had no motor, had no trans. We did a 400 small block in it. We did a Tremec T56 in it. Ford 9-inch, new leaf springs, new brakes all around, new headlights. Had it recut and buffed. It's got brand new glass by Mark's Glass. Nifty nickels, reconditioned the seats in it. You know, new fuel tank. I mean, there wasn't anything on this car that was untouched. Like, as far as you can get as pristine, this is it.